My name is Glenn Walters. I evaluate, test, and procure the equipment and technologies that we use in the makerspaces. Beam is a network of makerspaces at UNC. Makerspaces are facilities where faculty, students, and staff can come to learn how to make things. And they're given a safe environment. This needed to be a space where access was open, and we feel that it's very important to provide the resources and the place for the entire university community to be able to realize their visions. Beam's approach to makerspaces has from the beginning been focused on accessibility and community. When we tell people it's for you, you can come and use it, we'll provide materials and it doesn't cost anything, it's very hard for people to get over the disbelief.
My name is Drew Robertson. My association with Beam started before Beam had a name. Tech is something I've always been into, so I was drawn to 3D printing and digital fabrication. On a daily basis, we get all different types of people, whether they're studying to be biomedical engineering students, whether they're studying to be an artist, studying to be a journalist. Those people, if they were only in their different departments, would never interact with each other. Seeing friendships and kind of collaborations being made, to me, has been one of the best byproducts of Beam as a space.
Beam's 3D printing capabilities are primarily fused filament processes. I spent about 6 months testing primarily the AM1800, which is sold as colorFabb XT. It just is a really good material for any type of real engineering application. I also was testing it for usability, and I found that the Eastman product is very forgiving, and so I recommended that we adopt the Amphora 1800 as our primary filament. We don't stock PLA, we don't stock ABS, and the beauty of that approach is that the diversity of users we have, many of them need structurally sound parts, and so we don't have to start with PLA and then they discover that it fails. Eastman is a significant player in the polymer world. We see Beam as being kind of at the intersection of that. You know, putting these polymers into use in the hands of real people, researchers, engineers, artists. I think Eastman is a great partner because they really prioritize research and they value the importance of pursuing things just because they seem interesting. And that's important in a makerspace. You don't always have to have a good reason to start doing something. So it's a unique relationship, and it's one that we are looking forward to growing.